In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and typing in outlook.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Outlook interface. Right there, on the main page, you should see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login details. In the designated fields, type in your email address and password. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any issues signing in. If you ever forget your password, there's usually an option nearby to assist with recovering or resetting it. But for those who have everything ready and in order, simply click on the Next button once your credentials are entered. You'll find yourself in the Outlook dashboard. This is the main hub where all your emails and functionalities are housed. At the top of this dashboard, you'll notice a ribbon with various tabs and options. Focus your attention on the View tab. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear, offering several features related to how you can view and organize your emails. Within this drop-down, you'll want to locate the Sync option. This feature is crucial for refreshing your Outlook, so make sure you find it. Once you've spotted it, give it a click. What this does is refresh the entire Outlook application, ensuring that any new emails are pulled in and everything is up to date. For those who prefer shortcuts and want a quick refresh without going through the menus, here's a handy tip. Simply press F9 on your keyboard. This is a direct command for refreshing in Outlook, and it acts as a convenient method for those of us who like a speedier way of doing things. And there you have it. You've successfully refreshed your Outlook. Remember, keeping your Outlook up to date ensures that you don't miss any important emails or updates. Whether you prefer the manual route by clicking through the dashboard or enjoy the quick keyboard shortcut, refreshing your Outlook is now an easy task. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments below. Stay connected and stay organized with refreshed emails. See you in the next video.